Yeah, that's the quickest we've seen out of him so far today, and a strong contender for North Queensland's quickest street car comp.